No, it's not for that. What's up, YouTube? It's Average Mike. Welcome back for another Truck Life video. Today, using this contraption, I'm going to turn the back of the truck into a fountain. Put the contraption on it. Close it up. Take his broken coat hanger. There you go. Close up the valve here. Pull this one open. Get out of the way. I don't know if you can really see it in the video, but yeah, I'm spraying the road behind me. Just turn the back of the truck into a mobile fountain. That's how it's done. Wonder how long till cars try to, well, pickup trucks try to drive by me and get themselves soaked. That was funny. This one time, this guy had his window open. He was talking on the phone, trying to shoot past me, and he got himself soaked. That's what he gets for driving and talking on the phone. Man, I never can get used to driving around talking to myself, even after 8 years of it. I ran out of stuff to say even to myself. Even worse with the camera going. Out. I really need to get some GoPros to make this a little bit easier on myself. Yeah, to have a GoPro on the back of the truck right now, filming this as the water's spraying out, that would probably be a little bit cooler than this, but this is the best I can do right now. Sorry. Yeah, hopefully I'll be able to get a couple of GoPros as a Christmas gift to myself. I guess that would also be a gift to the YouTube community as well. At least to my 30 subscribers now. Yeah, washing them trucks behind me as I pass by them. Here comes another one. Getting this truck washed. Yeah, they get mad at me, but I'm giving them a free truck wash. Not a pickup truck. I thought he was going to stay to get the sides of his truck washed. Okay. Yeah, out here in West Texas, it gets so dry, you kick the ground, dust stays in the air for a minute. That's why we need these things. Yeah, can you imagine driving around and you can't see in front of you because there's dust, you can't see behind you because there's dust, you can't see on the sides because there's dust. It gets kind of dangerous. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I can't remember. Is it down over here or is it down over here? Well, either way, I get kind of confused. Sorry. Oh yeah, you don't have to scroll down to hit that subscribe button anymore. Now there's that smiley face down in the right hand corner with the broken teeth. You hit on that, you're automatically subscribed. You don't even have to leave the video anymore. If you like the video, smash that thumbs up for me. anything to say, got any suggestions, I'm open to it. You leave a good enough comment, I might even read it on the next video. I do read them. Till next time, thanks for rolling with Average Mike.